Hello everybody, I wanted to share a tip with you for positioning and for movement that will help your shoulders and your neck. This is one you might remember from a few years ago. I did a video when my son Leo was a little smaller, and I was showing you how to, whether you're carrying a child, whether you're keyboarding, whether you're driving, just how to think about the position of your shoulder to decrease pain and tension and tightness from accumulating in this area, the base of the neck and the upper shoulder. So it's probably easier for you to see from the side like this. What a lot of us tend to do is we tend to allow our shoulder blade and our clavicle to kind of roll up and over like this. You can see what happens to my neck and what happens to my head. They tend to kind of go forward. This is often how we end up typing at the computer or if we're driving, and we sort of slouch this way. Over time, that's going to accumulate a lot of pain, a lot of pressure and stress. If we can be more aware and more mindful of our positioning, instead of allowing that shoulder to go up and over the top of the rib cage, if we can be more active and think about down and under, taking that down and under motion, what you'll find is you're going to be using more of this muscle here, your latissimus muscle, which is bigger, which is more capable, and it will help you stay in a nice position where you're more upright, you're more aligned, there's less tension that's going to accumulate. You'll be more comfortable. And once you get in the habit of it, you can do this for a lot of different things. Whether you're, like I said, carrying a child, instead of here, you can carry the child here, and you'll be using this muscle to carry the child as opposed to relying on your traps and the smaller muscles in the neck. So that's one. More often though would be computer work. So default might be here, but what if we go down and under? You can still reach forward, so you can still reach forward when you're down and under, but you're just in better alignment. Same thing from driving. You could be here, or if you go down and under, you can still grasp. This works whether you need to reach up and over, you can do it that way, or whether you're reaching down. It's just getting used to the position change from being slouched forward to pulling that down and under position before you reach out. And again, you're gonna feel like you're using more of your middle back and your side back as opposed to your neck muscles. So I hope that's a good tip that you can utilize to help you with your movement, your function, and your positioning. Washing dishes is another one. That's where I really check in with myself. Very good to be mindful while you're washing dishes, because it's easy when you're tired end of the day, kind of here. But if you just go down and back and then reach, you'll feel a lot better. So let me know how that goes. If you have any ideas or questions on other areas for some exercise, some movement, some positioning tips, let us know. We'll be glad to feature those in a coming newsletter.